Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of brain tumor detection. So in this project, we have collected the data set of different types of brain tumor. Training is done through the neural network and testing is done through the GUI. So now we can see the data set. So this is the data set. This is the data set we have collected. Now we go for the training code. The type ideally. Click on open. File open. Click on training button. So these are the libraries we use for the load the image, and this is for used for to convert the each image into array form. In this library is used for to list all the files. And here we mentioned target equals to 5. So type of the brain tumor diseases. And this is the folder name. And in this part, we have load the data set. After that array conversion, then it is going to be two categorical. Then after that, split the dataset into train, test, and validation. After that, in this, we are displaying the total categories, total images, training images, and testing images using print. After that, we are using TensorFlow to train the more dataset. So in this part, we have taken the image into the RGB channels. After that, we'll convert into 3D tensor. Then it will convert 3D to 4D tensor. So in this part, it will display the graph of accuracy, valid accuracy based on the epoch. So this is the model. So in this first we are defining the model. Then we are taken two layers. First is convolution 2D and second convolution 2D. First we have used NB filters as 32, then 64. And flatten is used for to convert two dimension into one dimension. And softmax is used for to classifying the dataset. And model.compile is used for to display the accuracy. And using model.fit, it will display the train tensor train targets. Once the training is completed, using model.save, it will save the file. Click on run model. So you can see the total categories. 5 total categories and total images, and 168 it is taken for training and 164 for testing. So here I mentioned above 100 till 100 iteration, the training process is continued. So for each iteration, it will display the accuracy, valid accuracy, loss, and validation loss. So once the process is completed, you will get the graph of accuracy along x-axis epoch, along y-axis accuracy. So here you can see the accuracy 99. Now we'll go for the testing code. So these are the libraries we use for to create the GI. Control manner. So this is the GIF page detection. Click on this browse input button. Here you can select any one of the images from the dataset. And once load the image, you convert the image into the gray channel, where it will convert 3 channel into the 1 channel. Click on threshold. So you can see canny method and threshold. Click on classification. So you can see predict images management. You can check for another input. From classification. So we can see the prepared images metastatic. Check for normal one. Once the load the image, it will convert the gray image. Then click on threshold and canning. It will convert canning and threshold image. Click on classification. So you can see predicted image is normal.